Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick cabbage. First, grab a medium head of green cabbage. Give it a good wash under cold water to ensure it's clean. Next, you'll want to remove any damaged outer leaves and carefully cut out the tough core. Finally, slice the cabbage into thin, even strips, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness for quick cooking. This prep work is key for a delicious result. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or ghee in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add 1 diced small onion and sauté it for 1 to 2 minutes until it starts to soften. Then, add your prepared cabbage to the skillet. Stir it occasionally, letting it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes tender and slightly caramelized. It will reduce in volume quite a bit. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. After cooking up a storm, you'll want a clean kitchen. That's where the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum comes in. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. You can find the link for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To bring out the best flavor, season your cabbage with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. For a bright, tangy finish, stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Once tender and perfectly seasoned, your quick cabbage is ready to be served immediately as a delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.